If you don't have a lot of time to dedicate to practice but you want to get good quick, then you're probably looking for some exercises that cover a lot of ground and that will help you develop your technique really quickly. I am going to give you my top 3 best bang for buck exercises. So let's dive right in. The first one is a split hand technique and it's all about beat divisions. So first things first, I am striking on the tone field of my ding with my index finger and my ring finger. And I'm playing right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now the exercise for this is counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Now here's a bonus one before we move on to tip 2. The same exercise can be taken onto the scale. Right, like so, but this time I'm playing with my thumb and my middle finger instead of my index and my ring finger. So I'm shifting this whole thing down to 2 different fingers. And I'm playing them on the scale. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, right? The beauty of this one is that as you continue up the scale, you have to switch which hand is leading, right? So then the next one, if I start here on my lowest note, then the next one will start on the second note, which is the left hand. And the next one is going to be with my right. Right, and so on and so forth. And so as you play this, you start to get used to what kind of angle your body needs and your hands need in order to be able to play efficiently and fluidly. And you're also developing your dexterity and your speed and your strength in your wrist and your fingers as well. It covers so much in such a short space. You've got scales, you've got split hand, you've got rhythm, you've got metronome practice, you've got all that good stuff. So I highly recommend that one. All right, number 2 is polyrhythms. So this one is really good for right and left separation, for getting one hand to play something different than the other hand. So I got one hand just playing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then my other hand is going to play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then when I put that together, right, so my right hand right now is playing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and my left 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's both hands together and then left, right, left in this case. And you can do it the other way around as well. You can have your left hand playing 2 and your right hand playing 3. And I recommend you practice both. All right, so both, left, right, left, both, left, right, left, both, left, right, left. And that's your polyrhythm. And you can also, of course, try the other way around. Both, right, left, right, both, right, left, right, both, right, left, right. But then you can start to move that. So my left hand is playing 3s right now, and my right hand is playing 2s. I could also change the texture of my right hand if I wanted to, like this. improvising with some melody, keeping one hand doing the same thing and the other hand dancing around, 2 different rhythms happening at the same time, ultimate right and left independence. That's a really, really good one to have. And if you can start to learn other polyrhythms as well, then it's keeping you on your toes, and keeping your brain and your muscle memory kind of, yeah, intact, I suppose. Hi, I'm just going to interrupt really quickly to let you know that I have a course on handpandojo.com. It's been a long time coming and I'm really excited to share it all with you. So make sure you visit the website and I hope to see you over on that course soon. And I'm in America now, but more on that later. The third and final exercise is scales, but hear me out, because there's so much you can do with scales exercises. I know initially it sounds really boring, but it's really, really not. The first scales exercise, of course, very, very simple, just moving up and down the scale, in order, making sure you know where all the notes are. Great. Second is going up and down the scale, one hand at a time, 1 digit at a time. So using your thumb, then your index, then your middle, then your ring, then your pinky, and the same on the other hand, going all the way around. The next, same again, but doubles. Same again, but triples. Same again, playing 4 times on each note. Now when you get to the doubles and above, this is a really good opportunity to practice your split hand technique as well, right? Getting that index and ring finger moving, getting that nice rotation. But of course there are other ways that you can practice your scales. You can practice them in paradiddle motions. If you haven't learned how to play paradiddles yet, I'll leave a link in the description below. And you can combine it with groove. Now there's a really, really, really great video by Daniele Rabado, who is an incredible player. I'm going to link that in the description as well, rather than me teaching you it. But this is a really great exercise for getting that right and left separation again, as we've been practicing already, for practicing your scales, practicing texture changes, getting a really solid sense of rhythm, practicing leading with your right and left. It's just a really good all-rounder and a really good intro to a lot of other scales exercises that are also challenging and fun. I love scales and I think everybody else should love scales too. So take these 3 exercises and the variations of them and see where it takes you, see how it helps you to progress much, much, much quicker if you dedicate just 5 minutes a day to that. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy what I make, please do consider supporting me on Patreon. It is with that support that I'm able to continue to make free content. Check out my courses as well. I have one on handpandojo.com and I also have one on handpanconnect.com. And I will see you somewhere else in the ether or in real life sometime soon.